A stunning 100-piece jigsaw puzzle to celebrate Christmas in a very Disney kind of way. This jigsaw features quite a few of the most recognizable Disney characters, all surrounding a perfectly decorated Christmas tree, celebrating the festive season. Why not assemble, glue and hand your jigsaw on the wall as part of this year's Christmas decorations? Suitable for anyone who prefer puzzles with large pieces. High-quality 100-piece cardboard jigsaw puzzle with extra large pieces. The finished puzzle measures 49 x 36 cm when complete. Suitable for ages 6 years and up. Made from strong premium-grade cardboard, with linen finish print to minimize glare on puzzle image. Safety warning: not suitable for children under 3 years. For use under adult supervision. See all product description for more info and special discounts. Please click the link below.